To me, it is absolutely no surprise if there are gay animals, bisexual animals. There's nothing surprising to me about that. It is surprising to me to hear about fungi and plants. Do explain.
There is basically a idea that a lot of organisms exist in some sort of binary, right? Like male and female and nothing in between. But what we actually see in both plants and in fungi is this whole spectrum of different reproductive strategies that organisms engage in to continue to, produce offspring.
But what you said about nature finding a way in the other two kingdoms, that wouldn't happen in the animal world, would it?
Well, so it does happen in the animal world. We know from science, scientists have for many decades been recording instances of same-sex couples in the animal kingdom. So in the documentary, you learn about penguins and flamingos and all sorts of other animals that engage in same-sex pairings. And they not only just have sex with other members of the same sex, but they actually raise children together that they adopt from other couples.
Wow, I had never heard that.
Yes. So in the example in the documentary, you learn about flamingos. Sometimes flamingos fly away from their community because they're scared off by predators, and sometimes the eggs that are abandoned are then actually adopted by gay couples or queer couples, same-sex couples. Yeah, and then raised to maturity. Yeah.
Are same-sex couples discriminated against in the animal kingdom?
I'm not aware of any examples of that. It's possible, but I know some of the experts in the documentary who do more of the animal behavior research said that they were not aware of that happening either. So we think that it seems like animals tend to be pretty accepting of one another in this regard.
So maybe that's the downside of our brains being more developed, is that
we get caught up.
we get caught up.
Yeah.